Welcome back, viewers. Let's continue our LeetCode 75 series where we have to solve fifth question on binary tree. The fifth question is longest zigzag path in a binary tree. So in this question, there is given a root of a binary tree, and you just have to return the longest zigzag path. Okay, you just have to return the size of a longest zigzag path. So what is the zigzag path? Is basically from left to right. First is left, then right, left, then right. Okay, so this is the zigzag path. So in the same way, there is given a question. Let's take an example. 1 1 again 1. So the first zigzag path is here, this one. So the size is 2. Okay. This is not a zigzag. You can't consider a zigzag path. This is a straight path. So this is not a zigzag. The second zigzag path is 1, 2, 3. So there is 3. This is not a zigzag. If it is there, then it can be considered as a zigzag. But this is moving to the right, so it is not. So the longest is 3. So you just have to return the 3. The longest zigzag path is 3. In the same way, here is a 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just have to return the 4. Okay, the size of a zigzag path is 4. This cannot be considered as, because there is 1, 2. This cannot be considered because it is moving only a right, right and right. The first is left, right, left, right. Okay, so you just have to consider only those paths. So you just have to return the maximum longest zigzag path. Okay, so how can you do this? The first, you just have to do the recursion. You just have to create a function which is doing the recursion from left to right and from left side and right side also. So if I create a rec function, root ka, this will pass the root ka left, comma 0, comma 1. Okay, and again I make the root ka right, right, comma 0, comma 1, comma 1. Okay, and after this you just have to return the I will return after this. First I will create a max variable which is maxi int 0, and then I will create void rec tree node star root comma int direction. This will direction and int length. Okay, and then I will check if root equals to null. If it is null, then you just have to return nothing, and then maxi equals to max of maxi comma length. And if the direction is 0, 0, then you just have to again call the function rec for root ka left comma direction comma 1. Okay, and again for right also, root ka right comma direction 1 comma length plus 1. Okay, else direction is 1, then you just have to again call the function for rec root ka left comma direction 1 comma length plus 1. Okay, and again for root ka right comma direction comma 1. Okay, this is the direction, and after this you just have to return nothing. Here you have to return the max element. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this is maxi. Let's again run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.